Welcome to the Anna Darpan Storage Module demonstration. In this session, we will walk through the complete Gunny management workflow. This includes receiving Gunny bags, issuing them to sheds, recording consumption, performing releases and replacements, and handling disposal, upgrades, downgrades, and dispatch. Each step is demonstrated from the perspective of the relevant system user to ensure a complete understanding of the Gunny life cycle within a depot. Perform Gunny receive. Login as shed in charge. Navigate to Gunny management. Then open Gunny receive. From the receive from drop-down, select others if the receive type is not related to procurement or select procurement if it is. Enter the reference number and receive date. Select the Gunny type and Gunny class. Enter the Gunny bales received and the number of Gunnies in loose form received. Select the shed. Enter the mode of transport. Add remarks. And click Submit. Successful message appears as Gunny received successfully. Perform Gunny issue to shed. Login as Gunny in charge. Navigate to Gunny management, then open Gunny issue to shed. Select the Gunny type, Gunny class, source, and destination. Enter the quantity to dispatch in units. Select the mode of transport. Add remarks. And click Submit. Successful message appears as Quantity to dispatch units of SBT has been issued to custodian. Perform Gunny receive at shed. Login as shed in charge. Navigate to Gunny management. Then open Gunny receive at shed. Select the reference number. Enter the quantity received in units. And click Submit. Successful message appears as Quantity received units of HDPE type, Gunny has been received. Perform Gunny consumption. Login as shed in charge. Navigate to Gunny management, then open Gunny consumption. Select the shed, stack, and Gunny class. Enter the number of bags. Select the bag type as either palla or made up. Add comments. And click Submit. Successful message appears as Gunny consumption updated successfully. Perform Gunny release. Login as shed in charge. Navigate to Gunny management. Then open Gunny release. Select the shed, stack, and Gunny class. Enter the total bags returned. Add comments. And click Submit. Successful message appears as Gunny release updated successfully. Perform Gunny replacement. Login as shed in charge. Navigate to Gunny management. Then open Gunny replacement. Select the shed, stack, and the replaced class. Enter the total bags replaced. Add comments. And click Submit. Successful message appears as Gunny replaced successfully. Perform Gunny disposal. Login as Gunny in charge. Navigate to Gunny management. Then open Gunny disposal. Select the custodian, Gunny type, and Gunny class. Enter the number of units auctioned. Enter the Gunny auction number. Add remarks. and click Submit. Successful message appears as Gunny disposed successfully. Perform upgrade or downgrade Gunny. Login as Gunny in charge. Navigate to Gunny Management. Then open Upgrade or Downgrade Gunny. Select the custodian, Gunny type, Gunny class, and the upgrade or downgrade option. Enter the number of bags, and click Submit. Successful message appears as Gunny stock upgraded or degraded successfully. Perform Gunny dispatch. Login as Gunny in charge. Navigate to Gunny Management. Then open Gunny dispatch. Enter the reference number. Select the Gunny type and Gunny class. Select the destination type and the location to deliver to. Enter the number of Gunny bales issuing and the number of loose Gunnies. Select the mode of transport, add, address and commence. And click Submit. Successful message appears as Gunny dispatched, dispatch stock units of SBT. Conclusion. This completes the full cycle of Gunny management in the Anna Darpan storage module. Each function supports accurate Gunny tracking, ensuring transparency across all storage operations. By following these steps, users can maintain proper inventory, trace discrepancies, and efficiently manage Gunny availability across all depot locations. Thank you.